Hey, dude.
Yeah, bro?
I got something I need to get off my chest.
You do?
Hey, dude, we've been best friends for a really long time now.
Yeah, dude.
And there's something I need you to know.
Okay.
Remember that time we were surfing and I almost drowned? And you dragged me to the beach and performed CPR. Well, no homo, but that's the day I fell in love with you. No homo, but that's the day I knew you were mine. Looking into your eyes made me realize, no homo, but your lips touching mine, it changed my life.
Bro, are you saying what I think you're saying?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, dude, I totally get what you're saying.
You do,
And I've been wanting to tell you for so long.
you feel the same way too.
Remember that time at Disney World when I ate that giant turkey leg?
Yeah.
And I started choking until you came along.
Yeah,
Now,
I
no
came.
homo, but that's the day I fell in love.
But we're so not gay.
No homo, but that's the day I knew we were right. Your body pressed into mine, somehow didn't cross the line.
Why would it
No
have?
homo, but that day changed my life. The outside world might see us as gay, but bro, we swear we're not. We're just two bros chilling out, and I think you're really awesome. Hold on, wait, come back. What was that?
I'm doing the robot.
Oh, I didn't. What? I didn't.
I'm
hear
gonna
you.
smoke some pot.
Oh, that's cool.
Water?
Snuggling with you under the covers. No homo.
Spooning with you just like we're lovers. No homo.
Our lips touch for a minute or two, but no homo.
Yeah, it's okay with me if it's okay with you.
It totally is. No homo. But let's find an apartment together. No homo. Let's save money by sharing a bed. Looking into your eyes made me realize